Questions to ask before buying an electric vehicle. Let's get started. What kinds of cars do you have in the showroom today?
Oh, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're all about fuel efficiency or tech innovation, there's a perfect fit waiting for you.
Sounds promising. Can you break them down for me?
Sure. We've got 4 main types: traditional gasoline cars, standard hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and fully electric vehicles.
Wow, that's quite the variety.
Absolutely. Whether you prefer something familiar or want to try something eco-friendly, we've got great choices for you.
What's the difference between a standard hybrid and a plug-in hybrid?
Great question. A standard hybrid runs on both a gasoline engine and a small electric motor. The cool part? The battery charges itself through braking and engine use. There is no need to plug it in.
So plugging it in isn't even an option?
Exactly. But with a plug-in hybrid, the battery is bigger, and you can charge it like an electric vehicle.
Oh, so I can drive short trips using just electricity?
You've got it. For everyday commutes, you might not use any fuel at all. Then for longer drives, the gas engine kicks in.
How do I choose the right type of electric vehicle?
It really comes down to your budget, driving habits, how easily you can charge at home, and how far you drive each day. Fully electric vehicles are booming globally, and there are plenty of models to choose from across different brands.
I've noticed. Some of the new designs look amazing.
Totally. They've become way more affordable than they used to be.
And they produce zero emissions when driving, right? Feels good to do something for the environment.
Exactly. But standard hybrids are still super popular. Any idea why?
Maybe because the battery recharges itself whenever you slow down or stop during driving.
Exactly. There is no need to plug it in. Most drivers are already comfortable with how it works. Thinking about getting a new car? Going electric is super popular right now.
Yes, I've noticed that. Do you think electric cars are good for families?
For sure. Most electric vehicles have roomy interiors and practical features. They're perfect for family life.
What about SUVs or trucks? Are there electric versions of those too?
Absolutely. You'll find electric options in every style, from sporty SUVs to tough trucks.
And do I have to buy one or can I lease it?
You can lease. It's a flexible way to try electric without the long-term commitment.
Sounds great. I've never driven one. Are they hard to drive?
Not at all. Electric vehicles are easy and smooth to drive. Some people even say it feels better than gas.
Do fully electric vehicles still have regular engines?
Not traditional ones. Electric vehicles run on electric motors, which replace combustion engines completely.
Are they quiet when driving?
Very quiet. Compared to gas cars, electric vehicles make hardly any noise.
Can electric motors handle highway driving?
Definitely. Electric vehicles are built for speed and power. Many of them accelerate faster than traditional cars on highways.
Can they tow or go uphill easily?
Yes, many can. It depends on the motor type and torque, but several electric models are great for towing and climbing hills.
Do they need fuel at all?
No. Fully electric vehicles run 100% on electricity. You just plug in to charge instead of fueling up.
Are they good for driving in the city?
Perfect for it. Electric vehicles have quick acceleration and regenerative braking, which makes stop-and-go traffic smoother and more efficient.
What does regenerative braking mean?
It's a smart feature. When you slow down, the car captures that energy and sends it back to the battery, helping you drive farther between charges.
What does range mean when talking about an electric vehicle?
It's the distance the car can go on a full battery. It means how far you can drive before needing to charge.
What affects the range?
A few things like your speed, road conditions, weather, battery size, and how much you use the air conditioning or heat.
Can I take an electric car on long trips?
Yes, absolutely. Just plan a few charging stops along the way, kind of like scheduling fuel breaks for a gas car.
Does cold weather change anything?
A bit. Cold temperature can reduce battery efficiency, so your range might drop slightly. But many electric vehicles now have smart systems to manage that better.
Can I see my range while driving?
Definitely. Most electric vehicles have a screen that shows your battery level and how much range you've got left in real time.
Does how I drive affect range?
For sure. Smooth driving and using regenerative braking can help stretch your range. Quick acceleration uses more power, just like with a fuel car.
What happens if the range gets really low?
The car will still run, but it's best to charge before you're too close to empty. It's better for the battery and keeps you stress-free.
How long does it take to charge an electric vehicle?
It depends on the charger. Some fast chargers can get you going in 30 minutes, while slower ones may take a few hours or overnight.
Do all electric vehicles support fast charging?
Many do, but it's good to double-check the specific model and the type of charging port it uses.
Are public chargers easy to find?
More and more, yes. You'll spot them at malls, parking lots, and gas stations.
Do electric vehicles stop charging by themselves when the battery's full?
Absolutely. Once the battery hits 100%, the system shuts off automatically. No need to worry about overcharging.
Is maintenance cheaper with an electric car?
Yes, it's much lower. Electric vehicles don't need oil changes, and they have fewer parts to service, which means less time at the garage and lower bills.
Will I save money on fuel?
Definitely. Charging your electric vehicle usually costs much less than filling up with gasoline, especially if you charge at home.
Are electric vehicles less likely to break down?
They tend to be very reliable because the design is simpler, for example, no engine parts to wear out, and fewer chances for mechanical issues.
Do you think electric vehicle prices will go down in the future?
Yes, it's already happening. As more companies manufacture electric vehicles, and technology continues to improve, prices are expected to keep falling. Owning an electric vehicle is more affordable for everyone.
How long do electric vehicle batteries usually last?
Most electric vehicle batteries last 8 to 10 years, sometimes even longer. It really depends on how you drive and the climate you live in.
What happens if the battery fails?
Don't worry. If something goes wrong, the battery can be repaired or replaced. And many brands offer solid warranties to cover it.
Can electric vehicle batteries be recycled?
Yes, battery recycling is becoming more common.
Since electric vehicles don't release pollutants while driving, I'm seriously thinking about going fully electric.
That's a fantastic choice. By switching to electric, you're helping reduce carbon emissions and make a positive impact on climate change.
Can you show me the latest fully electric models?
Absolutely. Take a look at these. You're welcome to sit inside, test the features, and really feel how advanced technology makes driving smoother and more comfortable. Electric vehicles aren't just a trend. They're the future of transportation. As more drivers make the switch, we're cutting down harmful emissions and building a cleaner, healthier world together.